The major structures of the female reproductive system are the two ovaries, two fallopian tubes, the uterus, and the vagina. A normal female is capable of reproducing from the onset of menstruation during puberty until the end of menopause. The female is fertile and able to become pregnant approximately during the 13th and 14th days of each menstrual cycle. The total number of eggs a woman will produce in her lifetime are present in her ovaries when she is born. Each month at the beginning of a menstrual cycle, the pituitary gland secretes the follicle-stimulating hormone, which is commonly known as FSH. This hormone stimulates one egg to mature with an ovary. The maturing egg is surrounded by a Graafian follicle. On the 13th or 14th day of the menstrual cycle, the Graafian follicle ruptures and releases the mature egg from the ovary. Because the fallopian tube is not attached to the ovary, the finger-like fimbriae must catch the egg and guide it into the fallopian tube. After the release of the egg, the Graafian follicle changes and becomes the corpus luteum, which secretes the hormone progesterone in preparation of the lining of the uterus to support a pregnancy. If the egg is not fertilized, the corpus luteum dies and the progesterone secretion ceases. The menstrual cycle is then completed with a menstrual period. If the egg is fertilized as it travels down the fallopian tube, the corpus luteum continues to produce progesterone. The fertilized egg moves into the uterus where it is implanted. The placenta forms and, for the duration of the pregnancy, it secretes the progesterone required to maintain the pregnancy. Throughout the 40 weeks of the pregnancy, necessary nutrients are supplied and waste products are removed by the placenta and the umbilical cord. When it is time for the baby to be born, the pituitary gland secretes the hormone oxytocin. This hormone stimulates the labor contractions that result in the birth of the child. After the infant has been delivered, the final stage is the delivery of the placenta as the